Welcome to my channel Evershine. My name is Surabhi. Today we are going to do a high level coded floor based puzzle for PU mains exams. But before starting, I request you to please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. Let's start. There are certain number of floors in a building such that one person lives on each floor. So there is a building in which number of floors are not known. Also, each person likes to read different newspapers. In a certain coded language, instructions are shown with following codes. So here are some codes and their meaning. L exclamation M means L lives above M. L at the rate means L lives adjacent to M. Now adjacent, it can be immediately above or immediately below M. See, this means L lives above M. It can be anywhere above M. Fine. This means L lives adjacent to M. It can be immediately below or immediately above. Next है L hash M. L lives below M. Next है L and M. Neither L nor M lives on extreme floors. कोई भी extreme end पे नहीं है. Next, $M. L does not live adjacent to M. L and M adjacent में नहीं होंगे. Next, L%M. Either L or M lives in one of the extreme floors. L या M में से कोई एक extreme floor पे होगा. Fine. Now see, L2M means L and M have two floors between them. It is already given. If somewhere in the question, in the conditions you have given L2M or L3M, means if number is there, it means these two persons have these much floors between them. Here it is L2M, means there are two floors between L and M. Now next L1 exclamation M. Now इस sign का क्या meaning था? L lives above M and 1 means there is one floor between them. So L lives above M and also it is given that there is one floor between them. Fine. Now see the directions. First है A% the times of India. Now what was the meaning of percent? Either A or the times of India will live at the extreme floor. So we will take A on the topmost, this floor, times of India. There are 4 cases because these two are extreme ends. A can be on the upper floor or on the lowermost floor. Similarly, times of India can be on the uppermost floor or in the bottom floor. Now next, A4 hash the times of India. Now what was the meaning of hash? A is below the times of India and there are 4 floors between them. A4 hash. Hash means A is below times of India. So A यहाँ पे तो नहीं हो सकता top floor पे because A is below times of India and there are 4 floors between them. So ये हो सकता है yes 1, 2, 3, 4 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा times of India. 1, 2, 3, 4 here will be A. Now times of India यहाँ तो हो ही नहीं सकता because इसके नीचे हम जा ही नहीं सकते. Fine. So ये केस भी हमारा हो जाएगा reject. Now see the next point. The Hindu @A. Now what was the meaning of @A? Adjacent. The Hindu is adjacent to A. Now this is A. This will be the Hindu because this was the bottommost floor. Now in this case, the Hindu can be here or the Hindu can be here also because these both are adjacent to A. So we have to make one more case. Either this will be the Hindu or this will be the Hindu. See the next instruction. The Hindu to exclamation Hindustan times. Now the Hindu और the Hindustan times में 2 floors हैं and the Hindu is above Hindustan times. So this is the Hindu 1, 2. No, this case will be rejected because there is no place vacant and there are no floors. Fine. Now in this case 1, 2, here it will be Hindustan Times. In this case 1, 2, here it will be Hindustan Times. Fine. Hindustan Times 3, the Tribune. It means there are 3 floors between Hindustan Times and the Tribune. Now see, here it is Hindustan Times 1, 2, 3. Tribune can be here, or 1, 2, 3. Tribune can be below also. So we have to case one more case now. The Hindu. Here it is A, Hindustan Times. 1, 2, 3. Tribune can be here, or 1, 2, 3. Tribune can be here also. Now in this case 1, 2, 3. Tribune can be this, or Tribune can be below. So make one more case. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A, the Hindu. 1, 2, and it was Hindustan Times. 1, 2, 3. This is Tribune, or 1, 2, 3. This can be Tribune also. Fine. Now see the next instruction. Hindustan Times percent the Tribune. Now what was the meaning of percent? It means either Hindustan Times or the Tribune is at one of the extreme end. Either Hindustan Times or the Tribune is at extreme end. So here Tribune will be at the extreme end, here Tribune will be at the extreme end, here Hindustan will be at the extreme end, and Hindustan will be the extreme end. So we have now bottommost floor. Fine. We know the number of floors now. Now see the next instruction. Business line $A. Business line $A means business line is not adjacent to A. Here it is A, so business line will not come here. Business line will not come here. Fine. Now see the next instruction. The Tribune to business line. The Tribune and business line में 2 floors हैं. This is the Tribune 1, 2. This will be the business line 1, 2. This will be the business line. Here it is Tribune. The Tribune and business line 2 floors are there. So this is the Tribune 1, 2. Business line can't come here, so this case will be rejected. Fine. 1, 2. 1, 2. See, business line and Tribune has 2 floors between them. So one more case will be there now. 1, 2. Business line can be here. 1, 2. Business line can be here also. So make one more case. So this is a puzzle with so many possibilities. 1, 2. Business line can be here. 1, 2. Business line can be here. Now see the next condition. Business line 3-B. Business line is below B and there are 3 floors between them. Hash means below. Here it was business line 1, 2, 3. Here it will be B. This is business line 1, 2, 3. B will be here. Now here it is business line, but we can't place B. So this case is rejected. Now this is business line 1, 2, 3. This will be B. Fine. B for exclamation C. B is above C and there are 4 floors between them. 1, 2, 3, 4. C will come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. C will come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. C will come here. Now see the next condition. Financial Express to exclamation B. Now Financial Express is above B and there are two floors between them. Here it is B, 1, 2. This will be Financial Express. This is B, 1, 2. This will be Financial Express. Here it is B, 1, 2. This will be Financial Express. Now see the next instruction. Financial Express 1D means there is one floor between Financial Express and D. So this is Financial Express. 1, no, D can't be placed here. 1, yes, D can be placed here. This is Financial Express. One floor between Financial Express and D, so D will be here. Now in this case, 1, D will be here. Fine. Now see the next instruction. D@E. D@E. D and E are adjacent to each other. Now see, if this is D, this will be E. If this is D, here it will be E. And if this is D, E can be here or here also. Fine. See the next condition. D and E means D or E. Neither D nor E are at the extreme ends. So E can't be placed at the top. E will be here. Fine. Now see the next instruction. E@Mumbai Mirror. E and the one who likes to read Mumbai Mirror, both are adjacent to each other. Now this is E. This will be Mumbai Mirror. This is E. This will be the Mumbai Mirrors. And this is E. This will be the Mumbai Mirrors. See the next instruction. Mumbai F exclamation 5 means Mumbai is above F and there are 5 floors between them. This is Mumbai 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F will be here. This is Mumbai 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Here it is already C, so this case is rejected. Now see this one. Mumbai 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F can't be here, so this case is also rejected. Fine. Now see the next instruction. F@the economic times. @ means both are adjacent. Now F is adjacent to the one who reads economic times. So here it is F. So only place left is this. Economic times will be here because above, immediately above F, there is already the Hindu. Fine. Now see the next instruction. H4 exclamation H means H is above G and there are 4 floors between them. If we place H here, 1, 2, 3, 4. But G will not come here because it is already occupied by A. So see what next. If we place, now see one more condition is given. H%G. H%G means either H or G lives at the extreme end. If we can't place H here because 1, 2, 3, 4 here it is A already. So we have to place either H or G at an extreme end. So we will place G here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be H. Fine, because H is above G. So G should be at the bottom end. We can't place H below G. Fine. So this is the final solution of the puzzle. I hope you like this puzzle. If you like it, then please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any query, feedback, you can write it in the comment sections or you can email me at the email ID given in the description box. Thank you for watching my video.